On the left-hand side, go to Text, then click Page Numbers. So at the bottom right corner, you can see the page number for each slide. You can choose to do numbers only, the page and a number, or page 1 out of however many slides that you have. You can show the numbers on all the pages or just a few pages. And you can apply the properties to all pages by clicking on this. And if you want, you can also come down to the bottom and remove all page numbers. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.